We wanted to solve a real problem business spending hours every week just sending reminders and follow-ups. So we asked ourselves, what if AI could do that automatically?
Yeah, that question led us to build an AI-driven automatic reminders system using Twilio and OpenAI. It sends personalized reminders, tracks responses, and even learns from the user behavior. We developed it as a part of our industry project internship, and through that experience, we didn't just learn about AI. We learned how to apply it to the real-world business challenges.
Hi, I'm Sara, a Bachelor of IT student at Victoria University, Sydney.
And I'm Kevin. I'm graduated with a Master of Information and Communications from Western Sydney. And together we work on building these projects from the ground up, from concept to deployment.
In this short demo, we will through how our system works. We'll start with a quick overview, then dive into the tech stack we use, some of the challenges we face along the way, and wrap up with a few possible use cases for this solution. So the problem institutions were facing is that the students were not attending to class. So we wanted to know why they were not attending to class and remind them that they have a class because sometimes they also forget it. So we developed a AI reminder system to call students and to ask them if they are attending, or if not, why is the reason they were not attending the classes. Also, the system will encourage them to let them know the benefits of the course they are doing and why they should come.
So when it comes to the tech stack, we're using Twilio and OpenAI, and we build it on top of the Fast API, and we use WebSocket to make it a real-time interacting between the system and OpenAI. Last but not least, we use Google Sheets to make it a lightweight database for testing purpose. So let's have a look at how we build this system.
File WebSocket server, JS. This file is responsible for setting up our WebSocket server, which is how our voice agent communicates in real time during a call. When a new connection is opened, the server starts listening for different message types, like when the call is being set up, when the AI is speaking to the student, or when the call ends. Each message type is routed to the correct handler, so everything happens interactively and instantly. In a real bootcamp environment, this is what lets the system feel live, almost like a real receptionist. It doesn't wait for page reloads or manual input. Everything happens event by event as the student responds. It also safely handles errors or disconnections, so we don't lose the conversation if something goes wrong. File Get Class Info Tool, JS. This second file is the tool that our AI uses to fetch detailed class information on demand. Instead of hard-coding answers, we expose a structured list of what the AI is allowed to talk about, things like the schedule, the instructor, preparation steps, or class materials. So when a student says something like, "Where will my class be held?" or "What do I need to bring?" the AI can respond accurately using this tool. It works like a smart lookup layer. The AI doesn't guess. It retrieves verified information matching the student's class, which keeps the conversation trustworthy and consistent. File Google Sheets Service, JS. Finally, this file connects our application to Google Sheets, which we're using as our lightweight database. The sheet stores all our bootcamp students, their phone numbers, class schedules, and attendance status. This service reads student records, updates their attendance after a call, and even handles batch updates if multiple changes happen at once. Every time the voice agent completes a call, it automatically writes the outcome back into the spreadsheet. For example, whether the student confirmed, didn't answer, or rescheduled. This makes the process scalable and audit-friendly, because trainers don't have to manually record anything. Everything is logged in real time straight from the call. So together, these three files allow live voice interaction, accurate class information retrieval, and automatic attendance tracking, all working together to create a fully automated reminder system for class students.
So let's jump in the demo now. Kevin is now going to make the call. Hello.
scheduled for October 17th, 2025 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Will you be attending?
I don't think so.
Since this is a university course, I'll ensure you receive the class recording to stay on track. For our records, could you briefly share why you cannot attend?
I don't feel like going to class tomorrow, sorry.
I appreciate your honesty, Sara. It's understandable to have days when motivation is low. Can you share if there is something specific, like a scheduling conflict or something else, that's preventing you from attending? This helps us with our records.
Can you remind me what's the class about?
Absolutely. The Full Stack Development Bootcamp focuses on teaching you the skills needed to become a full stack developer, including both front-end and back-end technologies. You'll gain hands-on experience in coding, project development, and various programming languages. It's a great opportunity to build valuable skills that are in high demand in the job market. Now, I still need to know, what's preventing you from attending the class tomorrow?
I feel like now I want to go to class tomorrow.
That's great to hear, Sara. Given how valuable this class will be for you, do you think you can make it? It's a fantastic opportunity to learn from our expert instructors and gain practical skills. Would you like to confirm your attendance now?
Yes.
I've processed your request successfully. Let me know if you have any other questions about your upcoming class.
That's all. Thank you so much.
I've processed your request successfully.
We hope you enjoy our demo. In concluding, we want to thank Auspice Consulting, also Anmol for the support and guiding us through all the process, and also Callum. And now Kevin is going to talk about some of the challenges we face.
Yeah, I have some challenges, but I have to pick up my phone. So do you remember? First off, we had to rapidly onboard with the tech stack that we haven't familiar with before. For example, Twilio, FastAPI, and OpenAI. All of them came as like the final boss of a video game that we hadn't played before. And then it comes to the hardest part, that which tool do we use for our system. We tried our Vabi, Twilio Studio, and Dialogflow until we found the best fit for our system. And AI latency is smart, is outstanding, but sometimes it took time to think and respond. At some point, we met the credit, your free credit are running out, so we have to pick some of our pocket money and invest to test our system. But every challenge such as towards a better and a more stable system.
Hi, I'm Sara. I'm a full stack developer and an AI enthusiast. To all the recruiters and hiring managers, feel free to reach me through LinkedIn.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a full stack developer with passionate about AI. To all the recruiter and hiring managers, please reach me on LinkedIn.